Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to post an item for sale on Facebook Marketplace in 2025. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So I'm going to demonstrate the steps in my web browser, but you can also follow the same steps using the Facebook mobile application. First of all, you need to just come on facebook.com and then log in into that particular account which you want to use to access marketplace and in order to create your listings. Once this step is done, in the left hand section you will see marketplace option. So you need to click on the marketplace option first. Over here, the first thing that you need to do is to simply change or select your location. So this location will help you to get your listings. So here in the top right hand corner of the screen, click on the location and enter your own location. Then hover over to the left hand section and click on the option of create new listing. Over here, it is going to ask you to choose the listing type, whether it is any item or a vehicle or a home. So whichever you are selling over here, you need to select that respective option. Let's say I'm assuming you want to sell any kind of product over here. So select the first option and fill out this form. Over here, first of all, you need to add the photograph of your listings. Then you need to provide the title here, enter the pricing, select the category of the product, select the condition of the product. Then you need to select the material of the product, whether it is an outdoor table type. So you need to select that, and then you need to provide the description about your product, select any product tags, provide location, and all of the changes will be visible here in the preview tab over here in the right hand section. So after filling out all of these details, you need to click on this publish option here in the bottom, and to boost your visibility, make sure that you share your listing to the relevant buy and sell groups on Facebook during posting, and this is going to help you make more people see your items without any paid advertisement. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tips, and comment below if you want me to create any other tutorial on any other topic. Thanks for watching. Bye.